Hi, let me ask you something. In your relationship right now, do you feel like you can be fully yourself? You see, a great relationship is one in which you can bring all of who you are into the relationship and feel supported and even celebrated. So let's take a moment to break it down to understand what does it mean to be fully yourself. So number one, it means that you can share with your partner all of your thoughts, your feelings, your desires, your hopes and your dreams. It means that you'll be fully honest with each other. Number two, it means that sometimes you can also be messy and vulnerable and weak and know that your partner is there for you and loves you no matter what. And number three, it means knowing that your partner supports you in becoming the best version of yourself. So they cheerlead you, they tell you they believe in you, sometimes they even give you feedback or challenge you, but all in the purpose of helping you become the most that you can be as a person.